Club of GUPS Ariello has organized this program, English Fest Effect and Digital Magazine Free Weeks. This is a proud moment of our school because COVID-19 has restricted us away from school. Still, our teachers, parents, and children are working hard to maintain the qualitative education. This magazine is a joint effort of our teachers and students. I have been for 38 years of teaching profession and I am moving towards the end of my teaching career. Wholeheartedly, I could say that the success of my institution has the joint efforts of my co-workers, parents, and dear children. We are honored to have eminent personalities like AO sir, BPC sir, and DIET faculty to participate in this inaugural function. First of all, let me invite AO sir, AO Mohammad Ali sir, to inaugurate this function. Thank you.
Now I invite Mr. Muhammad Ali sir, AO Parpanangadi, to inaugurate Effect 2021. Sir, please.
Yeah, respected HM, Usha teacher, Jaril master, diet faculty, Joy sir, teachers, PTA members, and my dear children. Today, we attend a Google meeting in the occasion of the inauguration of the English Fest of the school. GUPS Ariello, popularly known as Board School, is a prestigious institution in Parpanangadi sub-district. You proved your identity in various fields such as sports, youth festival, science fest, PT activities, and also scholarship examinations such as LSS, USS, and other state level competitions. Last year also, this school bagged many LSS and USS toppers and contributed many gifted children in to the sub-district. Various academic and unacademic activities have been successfully implemented here from time to time. This school is always crowded classrooms because of the hard work of headmisters and co-workers. In this academic year, I saw many activities, many of your programs through online. All are interesting and encouraging. Now, we are in English Fest. We know English, it is an international language. Communication to other people belongs to different countries are possible only this language. So any program conducted for the development of this language is always appreciable. I would like to continue my speech. I announced the inauguration of this function, and also I express my sincere gratitude to all of you, especially Jalil Master, who invite me to this function. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Our digital magazine is introduced by Mrs. Srikala teacher.
Usha teacher,
Dismiss na karna.
Mr. Muhammad Ali sir, AO Parapanangadi, Mr. Joy sir, Senior Diet Faculty, Mr. Krishnan sir, BPO, Vyasi Parapanangadi, and dear parents, friends, and my dear children. English Club of GPS Aryalur has prepared this digital magazine Free Wings. This is a teamwork of our teachers and students. The motive behind the creation of this magazine is to enhance our children's different skills. Within a limited time, they made it a good success. Digital editing team, along with our editors, had done a good job. Let me take this opportunity to appreciate the whole team. We are blessed to have such eminent personalities on the dais for this digital magazine releasing function. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Very proudly invite Joy sir, senior faculty, Diet Malappuram for releasing digital magazine. Welcome, sir.
So once again, good evening, everyone. I'm really very happy,
Good evening.
Honorable President of the function, Usha teacher, Honorable AEO Muhammad Ali sir, then all the other teachers, parents, and of course the dear students. Really, this is very encouraging and motivating incident that 28 students of JUPS Aryalur, that English Club members, have done a great work, like preparing a wonderful digital magazine named Free Wings. So the 29 articles which you have written is a great motivation for other students in the school. And of course, the teachers who have dedicated for this work are also appreciated well. And the motivation of the parents, that also is to be appreciated. Students from standard 1 to 7 have participated in this particular work, and beautiful works. All the works which you have done are wonderfully well. So to write a digital magazine, prepare a digital magazine is a great effort from the part of the students and from the part of the parents, and of course the teachers who supported all of you. So GUPS Aryalur, as AEO said, is doing a lot of wonderful works like scholarship exams, project works, quiz programs, and of course the next year you are going to have a wonderful building. So the atmosphere is going to be changed. So let me give you all my congratulations to all the teachers, parents, and the students. Of course, you are going to miss Usha teacher, who was supporting you, motivating you, appreciating you for the past few years, but still she will be with you for all your attempts. So let me take this opportunity to congratulate her in a special manner for all the efforts she has done, of course, along with the teachers. So very happily, let me announce that your digital magazine Free Wings is open for all the students and for all the schools in the BRC, means sub-district. So congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me for this particular function. All the best. Sorry, I'll be leaving in between because I'm in a function here. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are honored to have Krishnan sir, BPO Parappanangadi, to felicitate this function. Welcome, sir.
Teacher, is Krishnan sir joined? Teacher? I can't see here Krishnan sir. Krishnan sir, are you in online?
Usha teacher is trying, Jalil sir.
Yeah. Then can we continue, Kala teacher?
I will call.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can we continue the next?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Welcome Pramod P, SMC Vice Chairman, to felicitate this function. Please be on the stage, sir.
Pramod sir. Pramod sir, are you joined? Okay, next.
Welcome Shiny Teacher, UP SRG Convener, to felicitate this function.
Yes.
Honorable Chief Guest, Muhammad Ali Sir, Joy Sir, PPO Krishnan Sir, Headmistress Usha Teacher, and my dear students and teachers. It is the proudest moment that our English Fest and our digital magazine releasing has been done here. Every year, English Fest is conducting in a festive mood in our school. But unfortunately, during this COVID-19 days, it has led us to do in an online manner. But I hope that it will be a grand success. We plan to do such a digital magazine on behalf of our beloved teachers, Usha teacher and Girija teacher, who are retiring on this March. So this is a launching program of our 1 month send-off program. And our digital magazine is a combined effort of our students and all teachers. And especially I thank you all teachers on this function. And also, I hope that students and also parents supported. And I hope this such a creative work, as Joyce said, it will be a motivation to all children. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Let me invite Shiny Teacher, Shiny Teacher LP SRG Convener to felicitate this function.
The most respected guest, HM Usha teacher, AO Muhammad Ali sir, Diet faculty Joy sir, BPO Krishnan sir, and each and every one of you sitting on and off our platform, a warm good evening to one and all present here. Today we have gathered here as a part of the very first farewell party of our beloved Usha teacher and Girija teacher. We have planned a bunch of spectacular academic events for this retirement, which we hope is going to last for a time period of 1 month, which is of course a rare feature of this valediction, and hereby I wish us a lot more success for this effect. Thank you, one and all. Okay.
Pramod P, SMC Vice Chairman, to felicitate this function. Please be on the stage, sir.
Respected Headmistress Usha teacher, AEO Muhammad Ali sir, Joy sir, senior faculty, Diet Malappuram, Krishnan sir, BPO, Parappanangadi BRC, your parents, teachers, and my dear students. This is a precious moment of our school. We all are proud of our school's reputation in our society. In this COVID period, I appreciate all our teachers and background team of this program. In English Fest, every year our school conducted this fest in a bright model. This COVID period, we are insisted to conduct it in a Google Meet. In this time, it is a and teacher. I convey my all very best wishes this event to this program. I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.